Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 11T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can enable or disable location of this smartphone. Firstly, go into Tab menu. Now look for location icon and click on it. Then choose Close in the pop-up. As you can see, location of my XIAOMI is now off. If you wish to turn it on, click at the same icon. But you can also go into Device Settings, scroll down, select location over here, and manage it by tapping on the switcher next to Location Access. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!